can measure economic growth by using the what? The GDP. Now in this case, the GDP has two values. It has two values. The first one is nominal values, and the second one is what? Real values. Now the GDP, the one measurement of economic growth is said to be, we can measure it by using what? By using GDP. As I said before, these values or GDP has two values. The first one is nominal values and the what? Real values. What is by nominal values? It is goods and services are what? Measured at current prices. Whereas what about real? At constant price. Show the differences. The other thing is nominal values GDP increase when what? When either output or price increase. What about in real values? When goods and services are what? Increase. Because of what? The price is constant in real values. The amount of nominal values in GDP increase than what? Rapid increase than GDP in real values. Generally, these nominal or real values can be measured either in short run or in long run. Now in short run, we can calculate by using this formula. G is equal to R, GD, R stands for real. GD P T minus R, GD PT minus 1 over R, GD T minus 1. Because R stands for what? Real, G, gross, this was domestic, P is price. Real gross domestic price in what? In short run. But what about in case of long run? In case of long run, this calculated by what? RGDP times T over what? Over population in long run. Generally, the economic growth in long run, say to be in long run, it must be satisfied what? The following. The first one, sustained income at per capita. The second one is structural changes in economy. Structural changes to what? Changes from agriculture to what? To industrial, say to be structural changes. From where? From agriculture to what? To industrial, say to be changes, economic change in what? We call it structural changes. GDP increases when what? Subsequent years. When the change in what? In or the GDP is under long run. Generally, economic growth comes when? The first one, when resources are what? Recreated, recognized, or what? Reallocated. Or economic growth comes, or when what? When factors of production are what? Are increased. What are those factors of production? The first one is what? Land, labor, and what? Capital. Or the higher rate of GDP. If the GDP for the given country is increasing, what happens? Here's the following. The first one is improved life standards.